Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of footwear with Thursday's white Premier low top sneakers. Now this is a video that I've wanted to make for a bit. I'm excited to get my hands on these. I've been wearing them for a couple days. Wanted to give you guys my initial review, some thoughts and information about them. So if you're not familiar with Thursday, it is a company that was founded in 2014. They're pretty popular for selling their boots online. I'm sure you've seen their Instagram ads, their Facebook ads. That's how I found them a couple years ago. I actually have 2 pairs of Captain boots and I really like them, so I was excited to pick these shoes up. And they're kind of a direct consumer brand is how they market themselves. They cut out the middleman and they provide a really good quality product at a great price. And they've really found a nice area of the market for them to kind of carve out and find themselves a space. So what drew me to these sneakers is how just simple and sleek they are. They're all about minimalism and they're only $129. So you compare that to common projects, that is a $480 sneaker. This one is just so clean. There's absolutely 0 logos on the shoe, which I liked a lot. The only logo is on the back of the shoe. It just says Thursday. So other than that, you can't even tell what brand it is. These are full grain leather, and the leather, according to their website, is from Italy. And there's a little marking on the inside that says these were made in Portugal. Most of their boots are made in Mexico, so I found that a little bit interesting. There's 7 eyelets and they have these flat wax laces, which I like a lot. And what I love about these shoes is how versatile they are. This is a shoe that you can wear with shorts, you can wear it with joggers, you can wear it with chinos, you can wear it with jeans, and I think it would look good anywhere that you wear it. Like if you wore this shoe to the gym with some shorts, I wouldn't do that, but you would fit right in. I think it would look really good. And then if you wanted to go out to eat later in the day and you throw some jeans on, you would fit right in and they would look great. This is just such a versatile sneaker. Now let's talk sizing. So Thursday's website says, hey, get your size that you normally wear in all of your sneakers. So I did that. I'm a 12 in Nike. I picked up a 12 in this and it fits great. The only thing I notice when I do wear them, and this might change when I break them in, is this little part right here on the back. I notice it kind of rubs the back of my heel. So what I've done is just put a little piece of like clear medical tape over my heel just to avoid blistering. So I'm interested to see if that goes away. Other than that, super comfortable. They have a surprisingly thick insole in them. And the interior lining of the shoe is super soft. Now, considering they're all white leather, what I'm gonna do to keep them clean is just every few wears, take a damp rag, kind of wipe them down. And something else that I don't see a lot of people talk about with white sneakers is these are leather, so why not throw a cedar shoe tree in them? And what this is, it basically goes into the shoe and it's gonna help the shoe kind of hold its shape, hopefully prevent some creasing. And since it's cedar, it kind of will absorb some of the moisture and keep them smelling nice. And if you don't put these in over time, I think this toe box will kind of cave in. I actually saw a couple pair on Poshmark where I could tell they didn't do that and they just didn't have that nice clean line right here. And speaking of Poshmark, that's where I got these. I got these for 90 bucks on Poshmark. The dude just tried them on once and I guess didn't want them. They're normally $129, and unlike their boots, they're not on Amazon. So you'll probably have to get these either on Poshmark, eBay, or just Thursday's website. As far as negatives for the shoe, that's really tough. I don't think I have any negatives to say. I'm always trying to be positive in these reviews, but there's like nothing that I would really change about these shoes. Once I wear these out, I'll probably pick up another just because I love white sneakers. And at $129, I think these are pretty much a no-brainer. It's a great, great shoe. That's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.